Hello and welcome to a Cliffhanger Rares report for Thursday, August 8th, 2013. I don't know which way things are going to go, but I am speculating. I have purchased some of the lowers a couple days ago, and I will be buying more if they go up. I am freeing up cash by selling out of some other profitable positions where I've already made money, and through trading the high volume skilling items that have been going up in price recently. I purchased those months ago in March, and now I'm making a killing 200 to 300% and more on many of the items that I'm now taking profits on. Easter egg prices have been softer over the last 2 days as the prices have been going down. They do appear to have broken down out of this triangle formation here, but they have not yet broken out of the potential 1, 2, 3 bottom formation either way. This is the one, this would be the number 2 if it were to break higher, but it still would have to break lower than this price for it to be a panic signal. Moving on to pumpkin prices, which had a shocker rise in prices and then wobbled around and dropped hard, have recovered slightly, and very volatile market. This is one that's going to be worth watching. It seems to be setting the lead. Disc of Returning is almost as volatile as pumpkin was. We made a really hard bottom and a floor here and recognized that at the time prices have come up now and made a strong top, really dropped off sharply and then recovered sharply after a while of sitting at this price. So this is definitely a potential for a change in the trend that we've been seeing here. This could be the reversal signal that we're looking for in all of these markets. Wine is another cliffhanger price level here. We've got a potential 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. Everything is sitting so close to these low levels. It's very important to watch right now. Moving on to party hats, of course, we're always looking for prices to go up because that's how we make money in the RuneScape. We can only make money by buying low and selling high. Here we have a real strong line of a downtrend. You can take a ruler and lay it along there. And so we are speculating to think that prices are going to change that pattern right now as we're watching and turn this into a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation that is the trend reversal. But that, of course, that's what we have to bet on because we can only make money when prices are going up. So that's what we're always watching for. Continuing on, we can see much the same type of formation showing up here in yellow. In the monthly prices, we can almost see a potential 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. And I keep saying that, and I'm ignoring the fact that this is a perfect downtrend because, first of all, I don't have a yellow party hat. That'd be foolhardy for me to buy one right now. But I also want to know when the market's turning around so I can decide if I'm going to invest more in. Now, last week when we did the weekend report in review, this was the only market that had broken above this level. And now it's come back down significantly. Again, it is a downtrend with a little wee tick above it, so it's hard to say that this is going to change direction, but that's what we're looking for here. Moving on to red party hat. Is it time to buy in here? Well, the same answer for all of the party hats we've looked at so far. This is a little wee 1, 2, 3 bottom formation here. This would be the buy signal above this level here. Then even then, the prices may go sideways for a long time after it like they have here. So we really want to wait until we see a trend reversal before we're putting our risk money in here. White party hats were, range went up in price and then come down in price. And I do believe I'm going to start tracking the trading range of this. If there's enough interest in that, I'll take the time to enter that data. So here's hopefully a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation here in blue. We'll see. Moving on to the lowers. The lowers and the edibles give me an idea that perhaps the party hats could be making a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation and ready to be breaking up out of this little triangle. Of course, I am still working on hope here because it has not broken strongly enough in this market to really show that it's broken that downtrend recently. But we're in the very same cliffhanger position in this market as well, as we are really again at the precipice of a triangle formation. And I love being ready to react to the market at these kind of times because this is when the big moves really start. Again, we see Red Halloween actually drop down, scared a few people, but it is just in a big downtrend, hitting against these bottoms. It's just time to watch. And it's especially time to watch when we see things like Pumpkin and Disc of Returning breaking out and Santa Hat doing differently than the other markets. If these markets were breaking down instead of breaking up, I'd be pessimistic on the whole market as a whole. But because we have a couple that are breaking up out of these formations, I now become optimistic on the market as a whole. And there you have it for the Cliffhanger Rares report for August 8th. I don't know which way things are going to go, but I am speculating. I have purchased some of the lowers a couple days ago, and I will be buying more if they go up. I am freeing up cash by selling out of some other profitable positions where I've already made money, and through trading the high volume skilling items that have been going up in price recently. I purchased those months ago in March, and now I'm making a killing 200 to 300% and more on many of the items that I'm now taking profits on. This is Link Builder. Thanks again for watching these Rares reports.